All right, here's some questions dealing with probability of pulling cards from a deck of 52 cards. Okay, so I've got 52 cards. Just a reminder that 13 are clubs, 13 are hearts, 13 are diamonds, and 13 are spades. I can't draw clubs or spades. Okay, and then there's 4 of each of ace, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to jack, queen, and king. Okay, so there's 4 of each of those. So now, based on that, let's see what we have. So what's the probability of drawing each of the following? Remember, probability on top of the fraction is what you want, and the bottom of the fraction is the total number of ways that could happen. Okay? So, they want to draw a jack. So the number of ways you can draw a jack would be there's 4 jacks, and you want to choose from those 4 one card. Okay, so that's what I want, is I want a jack. And then on the bottom, I have to do the total number of ways that I could pull any one card. So there's 52 cards in the deck, and from those I'm choosing just one of them. Okay? You could have also just said 4 over 52 because there's 4 jacks over 52 total cards. You could have done that too. But for some of the next questions, it's nice to do this kind of format. So when you do 4 choose 1 on a calculator, I think it gives you 4. 52 choose 1, I think it gives you 52. And then if you simplify that, you get 1/13. So you have a 1 in 13 chance of getting a jack. Okay, now the next question says you want to get a queen or you want to get an 8. Oh, okay. So for this one, since the thing is an or, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do each one separately and then just add them together. So for B, okay, what's the probability of getting a queen? Well, we just did one just like that. So there's 4 queens. From that, I want to choose 1 over 52, choose 1. Then they say, or a queen. So I want to get a probability of getting a queen or getting an 8. 4, so to get an 8 would be, again, 4 choose 1 over 52 choose 1. So if I simplify this, this would be 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52, so it'll give me 8 over 52. And if I simplify that, I think that gives me 2/13. Now, another way you could have done that is you could have said to get a queen or an 8. Well, there's 4 queens and there's 4 8s, so that's 8 cards altogether out of a total possible of 52. And that's going to simplify it to the same answer. The next question says, what's the probability of getting a club? So I'm just pulling one card. Probability of getting a club. Well, there's 13 clubs, so I can say there's 13 cards and I'm choosing 1 over 52 cards, choose 1. So it'd be 13, choose 1, it'd be 13. This would be 52. If I simplify, a quarter. So you'd have a quarter chance of getting, probability of getting a club. All right, hopefully that helps you with those questions.